Alright, I just finished my quiet time, and basically I'm just gonna get my workout done because I haven't worked out in like 4 days. It's just, I'm trying to get in that mental state again where I'm pushing myself to at least get something done, because I do need to get healthy. I do need to get on my health regimen. So welcome to my weekly vlog. This is day 2. Oh, my butt. Workout is done. I'm just watering my babies right now. I don't know what's going on. I think I might be over-watering them because they have like these yellow little like spots. But the crazy part is that like they're like this is happening. You know what I mean? So I'm just, maybe they need water or I don't know, but this is usually what my little babies look like. This is my other baby that I got. This one is actually another one that I got at the flower shop, at the flower shop. And now they're propagating. So I have 3 babies that are ready to propagate. That's just my compost pile, like any of the dead ones. This is another one that I'm propagating. Hopefully it roots. But pretty much these are my babies. Let's go. Also, just wanted to say this dry brush, the dry bar brush, hairbrush, is so good. Like I got this thanks to my 2 friends that blessed me with an Ulta gift card, and I was not expecting it to be a $50 gift card. I started choking on my own spit. What the hell? Yeah, 10 out of 10. Leaves my hair super like 70s. Very 70s vibe. But this is pretty much what my hair looks like after I blow dry it, and I am obsessed. Our room is disgusting right now, but this is the outfit of the day. Cute little crop. Kate Spade purse. Apollo being a little creeper over here. And then my little sunnies. I'm not really wearing any makeup, but let's go to Target.
Wanted to know who they were. They just wanted to be able to bless the staff.
Tell me why I literally just went to Walmart right now to go pick up our groceries, and I completely forgot to vlog that whole experience. Oh my god. Apollo. Wow. Just wow. Anyways, so this is my child, the one that just took over this phone area. But I'm so bad at this vlogging shit. Like, I literally This is every morning whenever I'm on my phone. So So I just got back from Walmart and I just put all my groceries away and I just chilled on TikTok for a little bit and I completely forgot that I was vlogging. So welcome to Friday. It's Friday today.
Bug one in the mouth. Can you sit down, please? Sit down. Sit. Follow. I'm getting bad equal hair. Oh, shit. Can you fix my hair? Look at that sucker. Oh, you in the back?
So I'm about to wrap up this vlog because apparently I forgot to do an intro and freaking outro. But I just got back from my mom's little mini house that she has out in Miss Beverly. And yeah, so thank you for watching my vlog. I know that it was probably just like the most random little clips, but it honestly feels so good to like start up again, to just pick up my phone, start recording when I see something that I feel like would be so cute for like a vlog. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my first week. I know it was kind of slow with nails, but hopefully this week it'll pick up a little bit more. If not, it's totally fine. I'm gonna continue to film little creations that I make on TikTok. So if you guys aren't following me on TikTok, make sure you follow me there. But yeah, so overall, thanks for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.